Okay, so far here's the build. Got most of it together, at least the hardware part of it. Z-axis, none of the motors are connected. My next step is the electronics. So there's the motor control, motor drivers. Right there was going to be the CNC board, and then right there will be a power supply, and there'll be a lid to go across the top of that right there. Basically, if you look down in here, hard to see, but that's where the threaded rod is. And you can see it better on this side. Okay, but like it says, overall, there's not much moving parts to it. So as far as safety concerns are, I'm going to put a kill switch on it, and probably one of those switches with like they have on a bandsaw that has a little key that goes in, so you can't turn it on unless you have that key. So that'll probably go on there too. So other than that, I'm hoping things will be good.